here with Blue Collar Contractors in Northeast, well, I think it's North Central Oklahoma. We've got a ton of YouTube guys that are trying to help you guys and show the behind the scenes of what we do. We brought a bunch of skid steers, lined them up. We all get to go through them, talk about where driveline hoses are, and nerd out on skid steers. So honestly, I've been super excited for today. Get to finally meet Trent. Me and him been talking. Go check out his channel, BC. I think it's Blue Collar Contractors, at Blue Collar Contractors on YouTube. Trebo's here. Go check him out on TikTok. But yeah, super cool event. Get to check out everybody's machines and just hang out and talk business and just chill. It's kind of cool. It had 280,000 miles on it.
Yep.
I bought that truck with that trailer,
yep.
100 grand.
Oh my God. Where did I go wrong in life?
I don't want to tear it up.
I ain't spent 2 seconds in it.
I'm used to the newer
Well, go pull it over there and put it in line, would you?
Hey, don't let it idle.
This is your show.
DPF filter up.
Is that 5%, Mr. Harris?
5% everywhere. This one behind you, we are incognito.
Tilt is that?
It's super nice at night. You just guess. You're good to go at nighttime.
We did 30, but that's
It's so fun.
that looks sick.
It's so fun doing a job and then showing up the next day to see how you did. You know.
What is that?
People always ask me, "How far?" That's gonna be me now. I don't know, but I think I need one.
Is that like a?
Cut ditches and stuff.
You can run any sort of like it's just the plate. You know what I mean? It's not the bucket. So.
Oh damn! It's a coupler.
Yeah.
Essentially.
But hell, can you imagine what some guy with a
That's the first time I've seen in there. That's cool. You got, dude. There's way more room than in my 289. That's insane.
It's the only thing I can point out that I don't like.
The hoses?
Yeah.
I know. That's
hoses and that
Trebo
test
caught
track.
me. I hadn't even seen the dang machine, so I was like, threw it on the trailer and I was walking around it, and Trebo pointed these hooks out right here, and I'm like, let's go.
The Dirt Ninja, Tom, the Dirt Ninja.
Yep.
Tom is the one that
Helped them?
invented those hooks.
Well, thank God for Dirt Ninja. In a minute, if you go over there and you scratch that brand new machine, I am going to be pissed. I said, yes, ma'am.
What call would have been worse, us in jail or scratching the machine?
Oh, me in jail, bro. I'll take that all day.
All right, guys, we're fixing to hook the Bobcat 770 up to the 265 and see who's got the most ass. Come on.
I'm just glad that Sarah's gonna know this is not your machine. Yours is on the trailer, safe and sound.
That's right, honey.
Yeah. He said I would not hook that machine. Sarah would wear me out, so he went and borrowed one.
That's right.
It's actually a rental.
The only disadvantage is he's got more weight on the car.
Yeah. He might drag me. It's all right.
Hey, he's also.
Go get your girlfriend and put her on the back.
Listen, we've got, I don't know exactly where's Modder. We've got 92 horsepower versus 74, 75, 74. 74 horse, 92 horse. We've got some extra weight on the front of this one, but it's older, a little bit more wore out, traction more wore out. Is it ideal neck to neck, head to head? Hell no, none of it's gonna be, but we're gonna see what they'll do.
All right.
Hey Trey, do you want to drop the blade in the bucket? See what they'll do? Oh! Oh! I mean, these things are both brand new, way bigger, way more horsepower on the T86, and a blade on the front. We're gonna see what happens. And go. No!
Shit.
I walking that dog.
That is crazy. That is surprising.
He was in mud. All right, so here we are.
Damn.
I can't believe it, dude.
Hey, you're in mud. Put that on.
Damn, dude. Hey.
Hey, leave it off.
We're gonna try this again in fair ground.
All right, we're gonna try this again because the Bobcat was sitting in some mud up there from the last pull.
Oh!
It did it again. That's crazy.
All right, 299 versus the 265. We all kind of know the 299's way bigger, but shit, the 265's beat everything else way bigger. Let's just keep going for the stars. Come on.
Hey, get behind there and push.
Dude, the 265. That's unbelievable. Mind blowing what that little machine just did. So we're gonna hook it to the Devlon now and see how that turns out. All right, we got the Devlon. I think it's 115 horse, and don't quote me on this, but this one's probably 76 or 78 horse. So let's see what it does.
Move over 5 foot.
Yeah,
I
let
bet
me.
you pull it.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna pull y'all up about 5-6 foot. You ever watch that video, Wipe It Down? That 265 didn't budge, son.
Wow. Trebo, come give me your thoughts. Honest to God, that was unbelievable, was it not?
I can't believe it.
I can't either.
I can't believe it.
Some of those machines were 110 horsepower plus. And what'd they say this was, 70 something? Hell, I don't know.
It don't matter. It didn't budge. It's smaller.
It was insane.
Yeah, it was insane.
That pump would wind down just a little bit and
And
go.
that was facts.
"Meow."
Everything you saw was facts.
100%. Straps, like any of them, that was
They
insane.
pulled every one of the machines, the bigger machines.
That was, I wonder what the 275 and 285's like.
Woo! Well, I've drove all of them, and the
Yeah.
285 is one of the most impressive machines I've ever been in my life.
Really?
Yeah. When it gets into a bind, you don't feel that load up.
Yeah.
It just I don't know. The computer just says get in a better gear. I don't know what the hell it does.
I think I understand what you're saying, because the pump would meow, and then it would change tones, and dude,
Yep.
I'd walk away with them dudes.
Yep.
And then I stuck it in snail mode, and they didn't know what to do. I think they'd have to get that old D4H out, do something walking with.
Man, let Trent take a picture of that. All right, dude. We just wrapped up out here. We're fixing to
head back. We've been out at Matt's, you guys know, but today was an event, dude. Thank you very much.
Absolutely, man.
For sure.
I'm so glad you guys made it out. I know you got a lot going on.
Dude,
I appreciate you guys making
Treybo. Who else? Give some shout outs real quick.
We had Bo Clem, 4M Ranch was here, Sheldon. There's a whole bunch, man. I'm forgetting. I can't name them all. I'd leave somebody out, but
That's why I wanted to
appreciate
grab you.
everybody coming out, man. First year here, I didn't know if we are gonna have 3 or 30 people. We had somewhere in between, and it was everything we hoped it to be on year 1.
Right.
Year 2 is gonna be freaking awesome.
Made some phone calls today already about year 2, so pretty excited. Stay tuned. It was cool, man. Had, I don't know how many machines, probably 12, 10, 8.
Yeah, somewhere right in
I
there.
don't know.
Shout out to the 265. Cy came in with the beat, made the Freightliner look bad, and then brought the 265 and drug about everything here other than the Devlon. Now, the Devlon didn't win that battle, but it didn't lose, okay? Let it be known.
I guess what we do, I literally had never even seen the 265. Shout out to Mike Tremmel. He was really gonna hook up next year. Already been talking to him, and he wanted to know how this event, but shout out to Mike Tremmel at Riggs over in Springdale. Dude, thank you.
Appreciate
Seriously,
you, man. I'm glad you guys
really,
made it out. Will, shout out to
everybody
you, too.
that's been here. It's been so much fun. I'm ready to go home.
Yep.
I'm ready to go home, see the
Too much on
babies,
the road.
dude.
Yeah, 100%, man.
Be good.
Y'all be careful.